Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the legal and ethical obligations of a responsible citizen speaker and how that contrasts with a demagogue. Some ethical obligations of a public speaker would be to speak honestly as well as provide reliable information for the claims and be open-minded to different points of views. These ideas are going to be part of the democratic deliberation process, which is going to be reconciling people's differences through discussion and debate, through deliberating in good faith. Another ethical obligation would be to always be fully prepared and to research your topic fully and be well informed. However, you have to be open-minded to changing your opinion in light of new information or changing circumstances. After considering this, one might ask, what is a demagogue and what sets them apart? The Greeks would define a demagogue as a leader, and it can also mean someone who's being deceitful and manipulative in their speech. Therefore, they're going to be invoking strong sense of emotions like fear, anger, and even hatred, simply to promote their own selfish interest and not really addressing the issue or providing solutions for the arguments and what's being presented at the time. So this is unethical. And in the speeches, they'll do name calling and also just use a strong sense of ethos, which is not going to be helpful because it's not going to provide sound arguments and logical arguments. And an example of this would be Donald Trump, because when he talks about certain people or when he talks about issues, the audience and the listener gets a strong sense of emotion, and he's being manipulative at the same time, and his arguments are just unsound, really, and just not logically reasonable when he's talking about certain things in his speeches, because he would just rather have that for more attention and like that. So there are also legal obligations when making a speech, in terms of having to recognize that there's laws against slander and threatening others and mob violence when you're speaking. So it's important that you consider that, because as an ethical speaker, you should be able to always be accountable for what you're saying, and also being honest and having good faith and being committed to the larger public good. So in the end, it's just about being respectful and having the best available information when you're making your speeches, as well as acknowledging different points of views.